Have you ever wondered, why does Allah command us to fast, and how does it affect our body? What if I told you that inside you, there's a powerful system that cleans, heals, and even protects you from deadly diseases? Today on Ayat Atoms, we're exploring the amazing connection between autophagy, fasting, and the Qur'an, and trust me, you'll be amazed by what science has only recently discovered. Every single day, thousands of our cells die, while new ones are made. But if those damaged and dead cells keep piling up, the body becomes weak and sick. Here's where the Qur'an and science meet. Modern researchers now talk about a process called autophagy, which is directly linked to fasting. But over 1,400 years ago, the Qur'an had already guided us toward fasting, not only as an act of worship, but also as a path to physical and mental health. So, what is autophagy? The word comes from Greek. Auto means self, and phagy means eating. In simple words, it means the cell eats itself. But don't worry, it's a good thing. Imagine your home filled with broken furniture, unused clothes, and piles of garbage. It would feel unhealthy, right? That's exactly what happens inside your body if old and damaged cells are not cleared out. Autophagy is the body's self-cleaning system. It breaks down damaged parts of cells and recycles them into fresh, healthy ones. It's like renewing your body from the inside. In fact, in 2016, Japanese scientist Yoshinori Ohsumi won the Nobel Prize for discovering this process. He proved that during fasting, autophagy naturally activates. When we eat all the time, the body stays busy digesting food. But when we fast, something amazing happens. First, the body uses up stored sugar. Then, it begins burning fat for energy. Finally, it starts breaking down damaged proteins and waste inside cells, recycling them into new cells. The benefits? Heavy checkmark stronger immunity. Heavy checkmark slower aging. Heavy checkmark protection from diabetes, cancer, and Alzheimer's. Heavy checkmark sharper focus and mental clarity. That's why scientists now call autophagy the body's natural healing switch. But the Qur'an told us about the power of fasting long ago. Surah Al-Baqarah 2:183. O you who believe! Fasting is prescribed for you as it was prescribed for those before you, so that you may attain taqwa. The main goal is taqwa, purity of the soul. Yet, notice how fasting also improves the body. Surah Al-Baqarah 2:184. And to fast is better for you, if only you knew. Today, science confirms these words. Fasting is truly better for us. Surah Ash-Shams 91:9. He has succeeded who purifies himself. The Quran speaks of purification of the soul. Science shows fasting purifies the body as well. So, through fasting, Allah gives us two gifts, spiritual purification and physical healing. Let's recap what we learned today. Backhand index pointing right. Autophagy is the body's natural cleaning and recycling system. Backhand index pointing right. Fasting, as taught in the Quran, purifies both soul and body. Backhand index pointing right. Together, they prove that Allah's commands always carry wisdom and benefit for humanity. More than 1,400 years ago, fasting was revealed as a way to worship. Now, science shows it's also the key to health and balance. Truly, the Quran is timeless. If you found this inspiring, don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to Ayat Atoms for more amazing insights where Quran meets science.